Have you run out of ideas for making thumbnails? Do you feel like no matter what you try, your thumbnails just don't grab attention? Or maybe you don't even know where to start when it comes to editing? If that sounds like you, stick around because I've got the perfect solution. Thumbnails are one of the most important parts of your video. Without a good one, people won't even click, no matter how amazing your content is. So if you've been struggling to make thumbnails that stand out, you're not alone. But the good news? You don't need to be a pro editor or spend hours trying to come up with ideas anymore. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to solve all your thumbnail problems with Fiverr. We all know the struggle, right? You spend hours editing a video, making sure everything is perfect. Then you get to the thumbnail and nothing. The creativity just isn't there. You're staring at your screen, trying to figure out what will make people actually click on your video. Or maybe you've tried using free design tools, but they just don't seem to give you that professional look. And let's be real, not all of us have the time or skill to dive into Photoshop and crank out something amazing. But here's the thing, a thumbnail can literally make or break your video. Even if your content is great, if the thumbnail isn't eye-catching, people are going to scroll right past it. So, what do you do when your editing skills just aren't cutting it, or you've run out of creative juice? Now, before you get discouraged and think you'll never crack the thumbnail code, let me introduce you to something that's going to change the game for you, Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is, let me break it down really quick. Fiverr is a platform where you can hire freelancers to do pretty much anything, including, you guessed it, making professional thumbnails for your videos. So, why Fiverr? Let me explain. First off, Fiverr is super affordable. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars hiring a designer. On Fiverr, you can find freelancers who will create a custom, professional thumbnail for as little as $5. Yep, $5. And the best part? You can choose from a variety of freelancers who specialize in different styles. Whether you want something clean and simple, bold and bright, or even a little out of the box, Fiverr has someone who can bring your vision to life. Second, it saves you time. Think about how much time you spend trying to create a thumbnail that looks halfway decent. Now, imagine if you could hand that off to someone who does this for a living. That means you can focus on what you're really good at, creating awesome content, while someone else takes care of the design part. And finally, it's all about quality. The freelancers on Fiverr are professionals who know what works. They know how to create thumbnails that get clicks. And if you're running out of ideas or don't have a strong creative direction, many of them will even come up with ideas for you based on your video. So, let's say you've decided to give Fiverr a try. How does it work? It's actually super simple. First, head over to Fiverr and type in YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. You're going to see tons of options pop up from freelancers all around the world. Each freelancer has a portfolio, so you can check out their previous work to see if their style matches what you're looking for. Next, look at their reviews. Fiverr makes it easy to see what other people have said about their work, so you can make sure you're getting someone who delivers great results. Once you find someone you like, click on their profile and place an order. Most freelancers offer different packages, so you can choose one that fits your budget and needs. And don't worry if you're not exactly sure what you want. You can always message the freelancer and ask for their input. They're pros at this, and they'll help guide you in the right direction. After that, sit back and relax. Your new eye-catching thumbnail will be delivered right to you in just a few days, sometimes even faster. Now go ahead, check out Fiverr for your thumbnail needs by clicking the link in my description and get up to 10% off your first order.